charger?
Yeah.
Did you record me? Do you have a charger? Do you have a quick charge?
I don't have it with me, but Sean has his, but I'm using it. Jake, did you just break yours?
Oh no, because I pretty much just jump started them by hitting them.
Down, 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 down.
What the nuts? Hold on, Jake. No, I'm not gonna have Jake. I got an antenna.
Hello. Hello.
Don't put that on YouTube.
Why not? I will.
Because you're going like this with the camera.
No, it's not.
No, you can't.
I will. I don't care.
Get me over. Find them. Hold it. Hold it.
You broke yours?
Oh, perfect parking.
Parallel parking. Woohoo. Hey, that's mine.
I know.
Screw you.
Now I have to. Where's your hose? Oh, where's the sink that I can use? The bathroom. Here, take that.
Oh, hey.
I'm playing on my iPod. See? This game. It's like an RC car game. It's so fun.
Hello. I'm taking your video. No way. My house.
You want to see you getting beat up?
No, give me my iPod.
He hadn't